Hey everyone, welcome to ManagePlus, your all-in-one tool for seamless collaboration and organization with your team. In this video, join me as we explore the amazing features and learn how to effectively manage multiple social media channels in one place. From here, you can see all the platforms you connect on ManagePlus. Click on this icon and preview the extended pop-up screen. Simply click on the Connect button. Now, you'll land on the Facebook account. Click on Continue. Here you can choose the page you want to connect. If you've already connected the same page on another board, that will automatically disconnect from the old board. Fantastic! Your account is successfully connected. Following the same steps, you can connect all the accounts. ManagePlus is the perfect solution for managing multiple social media channels in one place. To experience the full power of ManagePlus and discover even more features, sign up on ManagePlus.eu. We can't wait to see you there. Until then, happy managing